Have you ever wondered about the different electrical components that power our daily lives? Well, you're not alone. Each day, we interact with a myriad of devices and systems that rely on these unseen heroes of modern technology. From the smartphone you check first thing in the morning, to the refrigerator that keeps your food fresh, and even the car that takes you from point A to point B. All these conveniences are made possible by a complex network of electrical components. These components, while small and often overlooked, play a crucial role in our day-to-day living. They control the flow of electricity, convert energy, store power, and do so much more, working together in harmony to make our lives easier and more efficient. In this video, we are going to shed some light on these unsung heroes of our modern world. We'll take a closer look at the resistors, diodes, batteries, transistors, and wires that are the building blocks of our electrical devices. We'll break down their functions, their importance, and how they contribute to the functioning of our everyday gadgets. Resistors, for instance, regulate the flow of electricity, ensuring that our devices operate safely and efficiently. Diodes allow current to flow in one direction only, playing a critical role in converting alternating current to direct current. Batteries store energy ready to be used when we need it. Transistors, the brain of any electronic device, amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. And wires, the arteries of electricity, carry the power from one component to another. Each of these components, while simple in their individual operation, combine in complex ways to create the electronic symphony that powers our modern world. Understanding them not only gives us a deeper appreciation of the technology we use daily, but also opens up a world of possibilities for DIY makers, inventors, and anyone curious about the inner workings of electronic devices. So buckle up as we delve into the world of electrical components. It's going to be a fascinating journey into the heart of our electrified world. First up, we have resistors, the heartbeat of electricity. These humble components play an essential role in every electrical circuit you've ever come across. They step in to control the amount of electrical current that passes through a circuit. Imagine a water hose. When you squeeze it, less water comes out. That's exactly what resistors do, but with electricity. Now let's talk about where we can find these resistors. They're practically everywhere. From your laptop charger to your car's stereo system, resistors are there, silently doing their job. They're in your TV remote, controlling the volume and channels. They're even in your smartphone, helping to regulate the power that charges your battery. So, if you've ever wondered why your devices don't just fry from an overload of electricity, you can thank resistors. They're the unsung heroes, standing guard and controlling the flow of electricity. So resistors, in essence, are the guardians of electrical circuits. Next in line are diodes, the traffic cops of circuitry. Now these guys might be small, but they hold the reins of power, ensuring that the electrical current flows in the right direction. Think of diodes as gatekeepers, allowing current to pass in one direction while blocking it from the other. They're like the check valves in a water system, ensuring a one-way flow. It's this characteristic that makes them so crucial in converting alternating current, or AC, into direct current, or DC. You might ask, where do we see these diodes in action? Well, they're virtually everywhere. They're in your laptop's power adapter, your car's alternator, and even in solar panels. They're essential in these devices to convert the current into a form that your devices can safely use. So, whether it's powering your laptop or making sure your car battery charges correctly, diodes are hard at work behind the scenes. Diodes ensure that electrical current follows the rules of the road. Now let's turn to batteries, the power generators of our electrical world. Batteries, in essence, are compact containers of chemical energy that can be converted into electrical energy. They are the heartbeats of countless devices, from remote controls to electric cars, from smartphones to space stations. Delving a bit deeper, a battery comprises one or more cells, each containing a positive and negative electrode immersed in an electrolyte. When a device is connected, a chemical reaction takes place, producing a flow of electrons from the negative to the positive terminal. This flow, my friends, is what we call electricity. The beauty of batteries lies in their ability to store energy and provide power whenever and wherever needed. They are a testament to human ingenuity, enabling us to take electricity, a fundamental force of nature, and carry it in our pockets, drive it on our roads, and even launch it into space. Batteries truly are the powerhouse of the electrical realm. Meet the transistors, the controllers of the electrical world. These little marvels are the unsung heroes behind our digital age, playing a pivotal role in the operation of nearly all modern electronics. Transistors, in essence, are the gatekeepers of electrical currents. They regulate the flow of electricity through a circuit, much like a tap controls the flow of water. But these ingenious devices are not just simple on and off switches. They can also amplify electronic signals, giving them the power to turn whispers into shouts, metaphorically speaking. Imagine you're at a concert. The musicians are the electricity. The conductor is the transistor. The conductor instructs the musicians when to play, how loud to play, and when to stop, creating a harmonious symphony. Similarly, transistors control the flow and intensity of electrical currents, creating the symphony that powers our devices. There are two main types of transistors: bipolar junction transistors, or BJTs, and field effect transistors, or FETs. BJTs control the amount of current that can pass through them by using a small input current. On the other hand, FETs use an input voltage to control the current. Despite their differences, both types serve the same fundamental purpose: controlling and amplifying electronic signals. Transistors are everywhere. They're in your phone, your computer, your television, even your car. Each of these devices may contain millions or even billions of transistors. For example, a modern computer processor can contain over 1 billion transistors, all working together to perform complex calculations at lightning speed. But it's not just about quantity. It's about how these transistors work together, creating intricate networks of electrical pathways that enable our devices to perform tasks from the simple, like turning on a light, to the complex, like browsing the internet or playing a video game. So, the next time you use your phone or switch on your television, remember the humble transistor. These tiny components are the heart of our digital world, working tirelessly in the background, amplifying and controlling electrical signals. Transistors are the conductors of the electrical symphony, directing and controlling the flow of the music. Lastly, we have wires, the connectors that bring it all together. These unsung heroes, often overlooked, play a crucial role in the world of electronics. Wires are our electrical lifelines. They are the vital veins that carry the lifeblood of power to every component in a circuit. Think of wires as the roads of our electronic city, constantly bustling with electrons. They're the conduits that transmit electricity from one place to another, allowing our devices to function. They connect various elements, allowing them to communicate, powering our homes, our tools, and our technology. From the smallest earphones to the largest power grids, wires are ever present in our electrical landscapes. They come in different sizes and types, each designed for a specific purpose. Some are insulated to prevent electrical leakage, while others are bare, depending on their application. So next time you plug in your phone or turn on your TV, remember, it's thanks to the humble wire. Wires are the highways of the electrical world, transporting power from point A to point B. In the last few minutes, we've journeyed through the world of electrical components. Starting with resistors, we've seen how these little devices are the unsung heroes of electrical circuits. They help regulate the flow of electricity, ensuring that our devices don't get an excess surge of power that could damage them. Next up, we delved into the realm of diodes. These one-way streets of electricity are crucial in turning the alternating current from our outlets into the direct current that many of our devices need. They are the gatekeepers, ensuring that electricity only flows in one direction, protecting our devices from potential harm. Then, we explored the power storage hubs of our circuits, the batteries. They store and release energy, powering our portable devices on the go. From the tiny button cells in our watches to the hefty ones in our cars, batteries give us the freedom to take our tech with us wherever we go. We also took a deep dive into the world of transistors. These tiny switches are the building blocks of the digital world, turning the ones and zeros of binary code into the complex, interactive experiences we enjoy on our devices every day. They are the wizards creating magic from simple on and off states. And lastly, we touched on the humble wires, the highways that connect all our components. They carry electricity from one part to another, linking our resistors, diodes, batteries, and transistors into a cohesive, functioning circuit. They are the silent carriers, ensuring that power flows smoothly and efficiently. Each of these components plays a unique and vital role in our electrical devices. Together, they create the symphony of power that drives our daily lives, powering our homes, charging our phones, running our computers, and so much more. They are the unseen heroes, working tirelessly and thanklessly behind the scenes. So the next time you switch on a device, remember the unseen heroes that make it all possible, our electrical components.